Are you tired of expensive mechanic visits? Want to diagnose your car like a pro? In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best OBD2 auto scanners that can help you save time and money. From basic code readers to advanced diagnostic tools, we'll compare features, performance, and value to help you find the perfect fit for your car. Stick around to find out which OBD2 scanner comes out on top and why it's a game changer for car owners. Number 1. THINKCAR Thinkscan Plus S7/S6/S4. Hey guys, I'm reviewing the THINKCAR Thinkscan Plus S7/S6/S4, a powerful OBD2 scanner that makes car troubleshooting quick and easy. If you're a DIYer or a pro mechanic, this tool could be a game changer for you. Let's dive in. First off, it's super lightweight at just 0.8 kilograms and compact enough to store anywhere, measuring 20 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 8 centimeters. The build quality feels solid, and with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can say goodbye to annoying cables. It works with multiple car brands like Toyota, Peugeot, and Renault and supports a 9 to 18 volts power range, making it compatible with most vehicles. The standout feature? It supports 28 reset functions, including oil resets, TPMS, and brake resets, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, it runs on the latest 2024 software, so you'll stay updated with modern car systems. And yes, it's CE certified, so you know it meets top safety standards. Overall, the THINKCAR Thinkscan Plus S7/S6/S4 is a must-have for both pros and car enthusiasts. If you're ready to take your car diagnostics to the next level, check the link below, you don't want to miss this. Number 2. Thinkscan 689BT. I'm checking out the Thinkscan 689BT, a powerful OBD2 scanner that offers full system diagnostics and 34 reset functions. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, this tool is designed to make car maintenance quick and easy. Let's see what makes it so impressive. The Thinkscan 689BT is solidly built but lightweight at 1.5 kilograms, making it easy to carry and store. It connects via both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you don't have to deal with messy cables. Plus, it's CE certified and CCC approved, so you can trust its quality and safety. What sets it apart? It supports 34 reset functions, including oil reset, TPMS, brake reset, and even ECU coding and actuator tests for deeper diagnostics. The user-friendly interface and lifetime free software updates ensure you're always working with the latest tools. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed diagnostic tool, the Thinkscan 689BT is a game changer. Hit the link below and take your car maintenance to the next level. Number 3. KINGBOLEN S6 OBD Automotive Scanner. I'm reviewing the KINGBOLEN S6 OBD Automotive Scanner, a Bluetooth-enabled car diagnostic tool with full system coverage. If you're looking for a scanner that offers tons of features, including 28 reset functions and lifetime free updates, this might just be what you need. Let's check it out. The KINGBOLEN S6 is packed with features. It supports all OBD2 functions and covers a wide range of systems, from IMO, BMS, TPMS, to ABS bleeding. It works with Bluetooth, so no more tangled wires, just easy connection to your car's system. It has a 4-core CPU with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, meaning it's fast and efficient. The scanner supports 18 languages, making it easy for anyone to use. Plus, it's compatible with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster updates. And with lifetime free updates, you'll always have the latest software. If you want an all-in-one diagnostic tool that's easy to use, the KINGBOLEN S6 is definitely worth considering. It's reliable, feature-rich, and perfect for both DIYers and professionals. Hit the link below and level up your car diagnostics. Number 4. THINKCAR MUCAR V06. I'm reviewing the THINKCAR MUCAR V06, a top-notch OBD2 car diagnostic tool that offers full system coverage and 28 reset functions. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a professional, this tool promises to make car diagnostics faster and easier. Let's dive into what it has to offer. First off, the MUCAR V06 is super easy to use with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, no more messing with cables. It's lightweight at 1.52 kilograms, making it portable and easy to handle. The tool supports full system diagnostics, so whether you need to check the engine, transmission, or ABS, it's all covered. With 28 reset functions, including oil reset, TPMS, and ABS bleeding, it can help you tackle a wide variety of issues. Plus, it comes with free lifetime updates, so you're always working with the latest software. It also has CE, RoHS, and FCC certifications, ensuring quality and safety. If you need a reliable and powerful diagnostic tool, the THINKCAR MUCAR V06 is definitely worth checking out. It's packed with features, easy to use, and will help keep your car in top shape. Hit the link below to get yours today. Number 5. Foxwell NT710 OBD2 Automotive Scanner. I'm checking out the Foxwell NT710 OBD2 Automotive Scanner. This tool is perfect for anyone who wants a full system diagnostic tool with advanced features like ECU coding, bidirectional testing, and over 30 reset functions. Let's check out what makes this tool stand out. The Foxwell NT710 is a powerful diagnostic tool that covers all your car's systems, including engine, transmission, and ABS. It supports full system oil level diagnostics and offers over 30 reset services, like ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration, and AF adjustment. With bidirectional testing, you can actively control components, making troubleshooting easier and more precise. It's easy to use, lightweight at just 1.21 kilograms, and comes with Wi-Fi connectivity for easy updates. Plus, with ECU coding for some models, it's perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. The CE certification ensures you're using a reliable, safe product. If you're looking for a feature-packed, reliable scanner, the Foxwell NT710 is a solid choice. It's got all the right tools for in-depth diagnostics and maintenance. Hit the link below to grab yours and take your car diagnostics to the next level. Interested? Check out the link in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.